A comprehensive guide to growing Alstroemeria. Alstroemeria, also known as Peruvian lily or lily of the Incas, is a stunning flowering plant that adds beauty and elegance to gardens and floral arrangements. With their vibrant colors, long-lasting blooms, and delicate foliage, Alstroemerias are highly prized by gardeners and flower enthusiasts. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you through the step-by-step process of successfully growing Alstroemeria, from selecting the right varieties to caring for the plants and enjoying their exquisite flowers. Choosing Alstroemeria varieties. Alstroemerias offer a wide range of cultivars with various flower colors, heights, and patterns. Some popular Alstroemeria varieties include Alstroemeria aurea, golden Alstroemeria, Alstroemeria princess lilies, and Alstroemeria citacina, parrot Alstroemeria. Consider the desired flower colors, growth habits, and suitability to your climate when choosing your Alstroemeria varieties. Selecting the planting location. Alstroemeria thrives in full sun to partial shade. Choose a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day, especially in cooler climates. The soil should be well-draining, fertile, and enriched with organic matter. Alstroemerias prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil with a pH of 6.0 to 7.0. Planting Alstroemeria. Alstroemerias are typically grown from bare root rhizomes, which are available at nurseries or online. Follow these steps to plant Alstroemeria. Prepare the soil, clear the planting area of weeds and debris. Loosen the soil to a depth of 12 to 18 inches, incorporating compost or well-rotted organic matter for improved fertility and drainage. Planting depth and spacing. Dig a hole that is deep enough to accommodate the rhizome with its fleshy roots. Place the rhizome horizontally in the hole, making sure the growing points, buds, are facing upwards. Space the rhizomes approximately 12 to 18 inches apart, as Alstroemerias tend to spread. Soil coverage. Cover the rhizome with soil, gently firming it around the base. Ensure that the top of the rhizome is positioned just below the soil surface. Avoid planting too deep, as it may inhibit proper growth and flowering. Watering. After planting, water the rhizomes thoroughly to settle the soil and initiate root growth. Maintain regular watering during the growing season, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Watering and moisture requirements. Alstroemerias require regular watering, especially during dry periods. Keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Mulching around the plants with organic material, such as straw or compost, can help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Providing proper care. To ensure healthy growth and abundant blooms, follow these care guidelines for Alstroemeria. Fertilization. Alstroemerias benefit from regular feeding. Apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring, following the package instructions for rates and frequency. Alternatively, you can use a liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plants, leaving a gap around the stems to prevent rotting. Mulch helps conserve soil moisture, suppress weed growth, and maintain a more even soil temperature. Support and staking. As Alstroemerias grow, some taller varieties may require support or staking to prevent them from flopping over, especially in areas with strong winds. Insert stakes or use plant supports early in the growing season, securing the stems gently with soft ties. Deadheading. Regularly remove spent blooms by cutting them back to the base of the stem. This promotes continuous blooming and keeps the plants looking tidy. Alstroemerias can have a long blooming period, often lasting several weeks or months. Protecting from pests and diseases. Alstroemerias are generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, they can occasionally attract aphids, snails, or slugs. Monitor your plants regularly and take appropriate measures, such as using organic pest control methods or hand-picking pests if necessary. Good garden hygiene, such as removing debris and fallen leaves, can help prevent disease issues. Overwintering Alstroemeria. Alstroemerias are generally hardy perennials and will survive cold winters in USDA zones 7 to 10. In colder regions, protect the plants by mulching around the base to insulate the roots. Remove any dead or damaged foliage in late fall or early spring. If grown in containers, move them to a protected area or consider overwintering indoors. Enjoying Alstroemeria blooms. Alstroemerias typically bloom from late spring to summer, showcasing a profusion of colorful flowers that last for several weeks. Admire the exquisite blooms in the garden or cut them for stunning floral arrangements. Alstroemeria flowers also make excellent long-lasting cut flowers due to their sturdy stems and extended vase life. Growing Alstroemeria is a rewarding experience that brings beauty and elegance to gardens and floral displays. By following the step-by-step instructions provided in this comprehensive guide, you can successfully cultivate Alstroemeria plants and enjoy their magnificent blooms. Embrace the process, provide proper care, and witness the stunning display of Alstroemeria flowers in your garden. Happy growing!